Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be performing extract min in C++. So in my previous video, I have discussed like what is extract min operation in min heap. So extract min is used to extract the minimum value which is present in the min heap. So we already know that the minimum value will always be the root node of the min heap. Okay. So in order to implement extract min, like what I did was I have already created a class of heap, and inside that I have used array data structure for representing this heap. Okay. So in array there will be like 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. So this is the array which I will take as an input. This array will be the input 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the index value. Okay, index. Now in extract min, what I will do, I will swap the first value and the last value. So after swapping 0, the value at index 0 with the value at index 4, new array will be like 8, 4, 5, 6, 2. Okay. Now after performing this swap operation, the next step is to reduce the size. So initially the size was 5. Now the size will reduce to 4. So we will be dealing with these elements only. Okay, because in extract min, we need to remove the minimum which is there in the min heap. We need to remove this, and after removing 2, with the remaining elements, we need to make a min heap. Okay, so after reducing the size by 1, we got 8, 4, 5, 6 elements in the array. Now we need to perform min heapify in index 0. So in index 0, in this index, we need to perform min heapify. So already I've discussed like how min heapify can be implemented. So if we see this tree diagram, what we did, we have swapped this 8 with 2 and we got this tree. Like in tree form, the scenario is like this: 8, 4, 5 and 6, and we have removed 2 because we have reduced the size by 1. So we need to deal with these elements, and after that this is index 0 and we need to perform min heapify on this index. So I've already said that in min heapify, like we need to compare the value with the neighboring, that is the left child value and the right child value, and in case of min heapify we need to move towards the smaller direction. So the smaller is 4. So after this, the smaller direction is in this side, in this 4 side. So we need to swap 4 with 8. So after swapping 4 with 8, we will be having this tree. Okay. Now again, we need to perform min heapify on this node. Okay. So again, we need to compare it with the left child value and the right child value. As there is no right child value, we will be comparing it with the left child value. So on comparing 8 with 6, we find that this is smaller. So we need to swap it. We need to swap 8 with 6. So this will be 6 and this one will be 8. So modified heap will be this 4, 6, 5 and 8. Okay. So after performing extract min, the array, like if I'll be printing the array, the output will be 4, 6, 5 and 8. Okay. And the main thing is the min heap concept. So this is the code of min heapify. This is the code of min heapify, where we need to, like, this is the index of that node on which we are performing min heapify. This is the left child index and right child index. So in the array we will be having the left child value and we need to compare it with the parent. So like initially there it was 8 over here and we need to compare 8 with 4 as well as 8 with 5, and in order, and after comparing we will be having the index, this node's index, which is nothing but 1 in the smallest variable. So after having the index of the smallest value, we need to swap 8 with 4. So this is the swap code, and recursively we will be calling minheapify again. Okay, because after swapping 8 with 4, now we need to check this with the left child and the right child. Okay, so that's why minheapify is recursive in nature, because unless and until we will be reaching in the condition where, on comparing the parent value with the left child and the right child, is not variable, like it does not change, or we can say that on comparing 8 with the left child value and the right child value, swapping operation does not perform. So in that case we will stop the minheapify function and we will be returning back the array. We'll be returning back the modified array. So this was minheapify, which I've already discussed in my previous videos. So you can check those videos. Now in case of extract min, like the first step was to swap the first value and the last value. After that, reduce the size in order to remove that element from the array. And after that, in order to restore the minheap property of the heap, we need to perform minheapify in the disturbing node, in the violating node. Okay, so violating node will always be the root node in case of extract min. And after that, after performing extract min, 2 will be removed from the array, and we will be having a new modified array, which is 4658. So this will be the new heap, new modified heap, after removing minimum element from the heap. So this is all about extract min code. So if I execute this, so the output of this code will be 4658, and the input heap is 2, 4, 5, 6 and 8. 2, 4, 5, 6, 8. So the output heap after removing the minimum element is 4, 6, 5, 8. Okay, so by this way we can perform extract min in C++.